So imagine you've just set up your Wix site. It looks perfect. It looks good. You've been working it for months, and now you are starting to start to sell your products, your services. But there's just one thing left to do. So to add actually a payment method, so you can start processing transactions. So where you can begin, where do you begin? Don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through the steps, simple steps to add actually a payment method to on your Wix website, making it easier for you to start accepting payments and grow your business. So let's get started. So what we're gonna have to do here is to click on our profile here. Even if you are select the website and you are on this dashboard, there's still this option to click on the profile, and then you click on account settings, and then here we can see account settings. Pretty nice, right? uh Pretty nice, right? But here, this is what we have here: domains, business email, vouchers, billing history, premium subscriptions, and payment methods. So here I haven't added any payments methods, but you can click on here. If you already added one, you can see that one that you added here, and then you can click on add a payment method. Here you can add your PayPal or a credit card, and then or invoices details, and then here you add a card number, your expiration date, CVV, and then first name and last name, and you can click on save, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Wix tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.